Hello boys and girls, Miss Sang here. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a statement for data you have collected. First, I have a tally of the favorite fruits. I've created the tally, but I have not yet written down the total. So let's count them first. Oranges, 1, 2, 3. Apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bananas, 1, 2. And finally, grapes, I have 5, 6, 7. 7 grapes. Okay, so here I'm going to use some questions which will help me write my statement. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 really helpful statements, but you don't always have to use all of them, depending on how challenged you want to feel. So it is important that you at least include the first 2 questions to help you write your statement. So for the first set of data, I'm going to use just the first 2 questions to help me. First one, which one has the least? Let's have a look. Which fruit was the least favorite? I can see oranges has 3, apples 5, bananas 2, and grapes 7. That's right, bananas had the least. So I'm going to write bananas was or is, actually no, bananas are the least favorite fruit. Full stop at the end of my sentence. Now remember, it is okay to make mistakes, and all you have to do is cross it out. You don't need to use a rubber to rub it out. It's good for the teacher to see where you have made the mistakes. Next question, which one has the greatest? And I can see that one has 7. So grapes are the most favorite fruit. Full stop. There it is. That is a level 1. So just using the first 2 questions to create my statement. Bananas are the least favorite fruit and grapes are the most favorite fruit. Okay, time to have a bit more of a challenge. Here I have another set of data. Now this set of data is about favorite pets. And again, I have which one has the least, which one has the greatest, what is the difference between the greatest and the least, and did you notice anything interesting about your data? Let's have a look. Now, for the second challenge, I might include the first 3 questions. Let's have a look. Which one has the greatest and the least? I can see dogs and cats have the same. That answers my third question. What is the difference between the greatest and the least? Actually, the least is the fish. I'm going to write dogs and cats are the most favorite pets. Full stop. What is the difference between the greatest and the least? So I can see dogs has 1, 2, 3. So does cats, and fish has 0. So if I have 3, take away 0, it's still 3. So I'm going to write fish is the least favorite, and there is a difference of 3 between the most and least favorite pets. Full stop. Now this is a pictograph, so that means you can see here is a key, so one smiley face equals one person. Okay, so that is the second challenge. Let's have a look at the third graph I've prepared. Here I have favorite color, and here is a bar graph. As you can see, I have red, orange, blue, and green as the different colors, and on the side tells me how many of each. We can see 2 people likes red, 2 people likes orange, and we have 4 people likes blue, and only 1 likes green. So again, let's go back to our questions, and this time I think I might try and use all of the questions. Which one has the least? Which one has the greatest? What is the difference between the greatest and the least? And did you notice anything interesting about your data? Red has, oh, no, I'm not going to write that first because I'm going to think which one has the least. I'm going to write green has the least, and blue has the greatest. Full stop, end of my sentence. What is the difference between the greatest and the least? Let's have a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue and 1 green. So if I have 4, take away 1, that equals 3. There is a difference between the difference of 3 between the greatest and the least. Full stop. Did you notice anything interesting about your data? I can see that the same amount of people like red and orange. 2 like red and 2 like orange. So I think that is kind of interesting. So I'm going to write that into my statement. It is interesting that the same amount of people like both red and orange. Full stop. That is my statement. Green has the least and blue has the greatest. There is a difference of 3 between the greatest and the least. It is interesting that the same amount of people like both red and orange. I've written a statement about the data I have collected. Good luck.